Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how to make Belizean style sardines with half-fried tortilla. Okay, so for this recipe I already went ahead and kneaded some flour, and you might be thinking that's a lot of flour, and it is, but I'm going to freeze some. To half-fry the tortilla, you're going to need some shortening. This is the one I like to use, but you can use whichever brand you like. I just wanted to show you how much you're going to need for each side of the tortilla. If you've been watching me for a while, then you'll be familiar with how I press out my tortilla, and I always do it in my hands. That's just the easiest way for me. That's how I grew up doing it. But you can use a rolling pin, or you can just use your finger to press it out, so it's up to you. And by the way, my counter is very clean. I always make sure I clean it off real good before I press any tortilla on there. By the way, I didn't show how to knead flour in this video because I already showed that. I showed you how I knead flour with my hands, and then I made another video showing you how I do it with my stand mixer. So I'm going to leave both of them linked below for you so you can check them out if you're interested. And also in my video I showed how I freeze the dough, so yeah, be sure to check that out. Okay, to fry up the tortilla, you're going to put some of the shortening on the fork, and I would say that's about half a tablespoon, just like half of the fork. So you're going to put that on there and let that melt, and then put the tortilla in the pan. By the way, my pan is set over medium to medium high heat. It's right in the middle. I just like to use my hands and keep turning the tortilla so the shortening could get all over it. But if you're not used to this, you might want to use your fork because you can burn yourself. And then for the other side, you're going to get some more of the shortening, and you're just going to flip the tortilla over and let that fry on the next side. So you're just going to let this cook to your desired doneness, and I like mine to look brown, but my pan wasn't that hot, so this one was taking long to get brown, but I like it to look nice and brown. So recently I shared on my Instagram that I was eating this for lunch, and I got so many requests to please make a video. I was surprised because I thought a lot of Belizean make half-fried tortilla and sardine, but no, a lot of people didn't know about it. The way we used to eat sardine back home is with fried jack, and oh my goodness, that was so good. But recently when I shared this on my Instagram, I made it with half-fried tortilla, and a lot of people said they never heard of eating sardine like that. I thought all Belizeans, ate that. But no, some people say they ate theirs with bread or crackers or different things. So how do you eat yours? Leave me a comment below and let me know. If you're new to my channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing, and be sure to click the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. If you've noticed, when I put the fork down with the shortening on it, I always hold it down on the pan, and that's because I want it to just melt right off. You just want to keep turning it to get the shortening all over the tortilla. If you're not sure if it's done on one side, just use your fork and lift it up and take a little peek, and once you see it's brown, it's good. So if you haven't been following me on Instagram yet, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff over there, so come follow me. You might be thinking, well, why not just make fried jacks, right? But this is for the days when you don't have oil to make fried jacks, but you don't really want a big tortilla, you want something fried. So this is the next best thing. If you're Belizean watching this, do you guys make half fried tortilla? Is that something people always make, or have you ever heard of a half fried tortilla? I like when the tortilla look nice and brown like this. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Oh, I want a piece of tortilla. Okay, now I'm just going to set them aside and then fry up the sardine. Okay, so to my pan set over medium heat, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of oil to the pan. This is the sardine I'm using, and this one is in spicy tomato sauce. Now that my oil is hot, I'm going to add some onion to that, and I'm just going to let this fry until it's starting to get brown. Well, here's a little fun fact for you. As Belizeans, we don't say sardine, we say sardine. So sardine and tortilla. Oh yeah, and we don't say tortilla, we say tortilla. So sardine and tortilla. Okay, now I'm going to add the sardine to the pan, and I'm going to add some water to it. So I'm going to put about half of the can with water in there. I mean, you can't really mess it up because you can let it fry down a little bit. So I just wanted to add some water to it. Now you're going to use your spoon and mash the sardine. And let this fry up a little bit, not too long, because you don't want all of the water to fry out. So I would say about another 2 minutes or so. Let me know in the comments below, do you like sardine and tortilla? Have you ever tried it? Or how do you eat your sardine? So no need to put any pepper in this. Like I said, this sardine is in spicy tomato sauce. So it is a little bit spicy, but it's a good spicy. It's not too hot at all. I was burning my fingers because the tortilla was still hot and the sardine was hot. But oh my gosh, this just took me back to Belize. Ah, it was so good. I haven't eaten this in a long time. I've been wanting to eat it forever, but my hubby didn't care to eat it, so because he didn't care to eat it, I didn't eat it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that. And I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.